According to Jane Musley, the country director water aid, 86% of girls in Uganda miss out school due to lack of sanitation facilities, while almost half of Uganda's population use limited or unimproved drinking water.
We are not doing well when it comes to access to these services. In Uganda, more than 20 million people do not have access to a basic water service. What does this mean? This is a water service that is close to where they're staying, that is giving them good quality water.
Out of Uganda's population of 45 million people, about 38 million people, which is approximately 83%, are said to be lacking access to reliable and safely managed source of water. Also 7 million people, which is 17%, lack access to improved sanitation solutions. The figures from the Water Organization also reveal urban people living in poverty pay as much as 20% of their income to access water from water vendors. All these point to a gap in accessing sanitation facilities.
We need to recognize and prioritize the financing for WASH across our different districts. What does this mean? This means that we need to, first of all, right from the national level, when Parliament is allocating these resources, how much is going to WASH? As it stands, we need 9 times of what we are getting allocated within WASH. We need 9 times that. But for the last 3 years, the financing has stagnated and we're not seeing increase within that area.
Stakeholders in providing sanitation facilities believe providing such basics helps in eliminating diseases that people suffer from. According to Jen, most of the disease burden in the country is preventable through adequate water services.
When it comes to sanitation, that is decent toilets across, whether it is community schools and healthcare facilities, we have 34 million people, according to the Joint Monitoring Program statistics, that are telling us this is the number of people that do not have those services.
However, the government says it is doing all it takes to improve the water and sanitation services in the country. In Kabalole district, for example, Swaibu Balaba, the district deputy chief administrative officer, says the district has already received a grant to extend water to the sub-counties of Kasenda, Halugongo, Busoro, Rwenganju and Hachibari. Kabalole district has a total of 1,137 domestic water points that serve a population of 267,600 people. 207 of these water points have been non-functional for over 5 years and are considered abandoned.
We have the water grant which we have allocated to the following areas: Harugongo sub-county, extension of water to Busega parish. 256 million shillings has been allocated. Then we have extended also water to Kasenda sub-county, that is in Isunga parish, 125 million shillings. We are also extending water to Chamazima village in Busoro sub-county, 49 million shillings. We are also extending water to Munisha village in Ruengaju sub-county, 42 million shillings. We are also rehabilitating 15 shallow wells in Hakibale, Rutete, Kiko and Harugongo at a cost of 47 million shillings. We are also having plans of having water extended to areas of Kichamba which have scarcity of water, but that will be handled in the next financial year, and we are planning, and we have so far allocated 271 million shillings for the Kichamba Gov't flows.
Balaba admits that much as the district has tried to allocate resources to the different sub-counties for WASH facilities, there is a big fund gap that is still a challenge.
Well, when it comes to water issues, we need a lot of money to provide water, clean and safe water to the people. Because we have to ensure water is available, water is tested, water is transported, water reaches people's homes or collection points, and ensure that at least people have water. And the facilities we are putting in place require maintenance.
We need sustainable measures that we need to put in place, and in this, that's why we've developed a catchment management plan where all stakeholders are involved in, and through this stakeholder involvement we are very sure we shall be able to achieve this water resource and get it preserved for the present and the future generation.
Uganda has 136,671 domestic water points that serve 28,519,361 people. Of these, 23,355,638 people live in rural areas.